English Rain Collection. Raining Cats and Dogs. The Calm Before the Storm. Take a rain check. A storm is brewing. Saving for a rainy day. Raining cats and dogs. It rains a lot. Rain coming down very quickly and hard. We wanted to play outside, but now it's raining cats and dogs, so I guess we'll stay indoors. The calm before the storm. A period of peace or quiet that precedes a more turbulent or difficult time. The meeting may be peaceful now, but this is only the calm before the storm. Take a rain check. It means to decline an invitation or offer for now, but suggests that you would be interested in accepting it at a later date. Thanks for inviting me to the party, but I'm not feeling well. Can I take a rain check and I'll join you next time? A storm is brewing. A situation is developing or intensifying and may result in conflict, trouble, or a difficult event in the future. The tension between the two sides was obvious. A storm was brewing, and it was only a matter of time before it erupted into a full-blown conflict. Saving for a rainy day. It means putting aside extra money in case of any unexpected events. My parents sent me some money for my birthday. I think I'll save it for a rainy day.